Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 7th, 2018. It is Saturday. I hope everyone's having a great start to their weekend. And I just wanted to come back and give you a little update on these tomato plants. Back on March the 5th, I started off these 3 tomato plants from seed. So I started the germination process on March the 5th and I planted them on March the 12th. And I do have a video for both of those stages. So March the 5th, we started the germination. March the 12th, we put them into the soil. Back on March the 12th, in that video, you'll notice that I showed you a grow lamp, which is rated at 10 watts. And that is the light that I used to get these to grow, and that is the only source of light. Even though we are officially in spring, I still have a lot of snow outside and the temperatures have still been well below freezing. So the only light that these plants have had is artificial light. What's really interesting about this video, and I'm going to show you this in a second, is that I did not notice a lot of growth happening with these 3. So I started off 3 more from seed, exactly the same way. And here they are here. On March the 18th, I started these 3 from seed exactly the same way that I started these 3. That's exactly 13 days later. What makes this video really interesting is that these were not doing well and I switched over to another grow lamp which is rated at 45 watts. I also have an unboxing and review of that one on my channel as well. And I switched over to that one while these were starting to grow and also while these were not growing very well, and you can see the difference. So it's really amazing to see the difference in the growth changing from that very tiny 10 watt grow lamp to the 45 watt grow panel. The other thing that I should mention is that before these 3 original plants were starting to get the light from the 45 watt grow lamp, they were not doing very well, and I could see that the plants were very, very leggy, which told me that they weren't getting the proper amount of light. Once I switched over to that 45 watt grow lamp, all of a sudden they really took off and the stems have become much thicker. So here we have a 13-day difference. So what I'll do, I don't know, I'll just take like the middle one here, which is right here, and let's compare it to one of these. Let's say that one there is like really nice, and we can tilt it down. I'll just make sure I'm on camera here, and look at the difference. I mean, this one here is a little bit bigger. We're talking 13-day difference, but you can see that there really isn't, that much difference for 13 days. You're maybe wondering, how do I know, how do I keep them apart? You can see I've put in little quarters. I've got a quarter here, a quarter in there, and a quarter in this one, just so that I could tell the difference between the 2 test little groups that I had going. But there we have it. But I just wanted to give you an update on the plants. They're doing super, super well. I'm hitting these for a good 12 hours a day with that 45 watt grow panel. I have a bunch of reviews on those grow panels. You can see those on my channel. I'll put a link to one of them at the end of this video so that you can check it out. If you're wondering why you haven't seen me in the garden yet, it's because I live in Canada and we still have plenty of snow here and are still experiencing below freezing temperatures. The beginning of our growing season here is around the 3rd week of May, and hopefully by then I'll be able to get these planted in my garden. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, there's a brand new notification bell right beside the subscription button. If you click that, you'll be notified each time I upload a brand new video. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.